Can you please tell us a little bit about Union Developers? They are being our co-partner for this summit.
Union Developers is बुलंद मेयार ज़िंदगी. You must have seen it.
What is the 5 years down the road plan for Union Developers?
कि हम कितने लोगों को कितने अरसे में उनका जो ज़िंदगी का सबसे बड़ा ख्वाब है वो मुकम्मल करने में मदद कर सकते हैं.
The theme of our event is Turn the Tide. What is your take on that?
Basically started back in 2004 and primarily it is based out of Lahore.
A message of hope and optimism for the youth of Pakistan.
आजकल AI की बहुत बात हो रही है, डेटा इंजीनियरिंग की बहुत बात हो रही है, बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस की बहुत बात हो रही है, but it's not for everyone.
So what skill set should they develop to compete in this competitive market?
I mean, just stay persistent and follow your intuition.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Shifa Ijaz from CEO Club Pakistan and I'm back again with another episode of Coffee with CEO. And today we have Mr. Muhammad Rizwan Khalid, who is the head of brand for Union Developers. Assalamu alaikum sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
कैसे हैं सर आप?
अल्लाह का शुक्र, आप बताएं.
Allah ka shukr sir. So can you please tell us a little bit about Union Developers? They are being our co-partner for this summit. What are they doing right now? Where is their business spread across Pakistan, and what are they planning to do in the future? Because we see them all over Lahore, especially. They're everywhere on every billboard.
First of all, thank you so much for the warm welcome and the warm introduction. So Union Developers is बुलंद मेयार ज़िंदगी. You must have seen it. It's
Yes,
across
definitely.
every communication. It says बुलंद मेयार ज़िंदगी. So that is the core purpose of the organization. It basically started back in 2004 and primarily it is based out of Lahore. और अभी तक as we speak the major footprint is in Lahore, but in the coming years you will see it in across different cities of Pakistan.
Oh, definitely. Inshallah, we will see them more in the future. What is the 5 years down the road plan for Union Developers?
Acha, in a country like Pakistan, which is very sensitive and very dynamic at the same time, defining the strategy for a 5 years plan in real estate, it's very difficult.
very difficult.
But nonetheless, I believe the purpose of the existence of an organization in real estate should be more towards, helping people in building their own homes rather than defining, aggressive strategies which is purely based on commercial interest or making profits in simple words. It should be more focused towards कि हम कितने लोगों को कितने अरसे में उनका जो ज़िंदगी का सबसे बड़ा ख्वाब है वो मुकम्मल करने में मदद कर सकते हैं. सो एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वी बिलीव कि हम जो एक ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच है इन रियल एस्टेट विच इज़ द मेकिंग ऑफ अ प्रोजेक्ट, वी बिलीव इन मेकिंग ऑफ अ कम्युनिटी, enabling people to live where they can belong rather than where they just associate themselves ज़बरदस्ती से. They should feel that they belong to that specific zone, that specific society, that specific vertical space which they call home.
Oh, definitely. Sir, moving on from that, the theme of our event is Turn the Tide. What is your take on that?
Acha, like I mentioned earlier, so basically Pakistan or even at the world stage, the economies are at a point जहाँ पर they need to decide कि they want to turn the tide in positive or against them. So when I say positive, it means some economic factors in Pakistan are becoming better day by day, but some factors are still very sensitive to some factors which are not controllable at micro level. अब होता ये है कि आप इस टाइड के अंदर अगर इसको अपने साथ मिला लें तो you can exponentially increase and amplify whatever you are selling or whatever you are operating in. But if you still try to challenge the tide, so you will not be able to do anything. और हमारी country requires positive mindset, positive organizations जो कि क्रॉस सेक्टर कोलैबोरेट करके इस टाइम पे इंश्योर करें कि दैट द कंट्री कैन लीड टू अ प्लेस विच इट हैज़ अ पोटेंशियल टू बी in a very small period of time.
Definitely. Sir, you being the head of marketing, head of the brand and promoting the brand image, you have had so much to do, especially with such intensive branding that I have been seeing. How do you manage all of that?
Acha, being a marketeer, it's never a 9 to 5 job.
It's never.
But we are very blessed to have a very fine work-life balance at an organization. Jahan par it's always about delivering results, but at the same time, at times it gets difficult. You have to have a support from your family back home that you are putting in your work. You're putting in your efforts in the work 24/7.
Oh, definitely. Sir, joblessness is everywhere these days, especially the fresh graduates. They do not know what to do. They're directionless, and they are very not aware of what they should be doing. So, what skill set should they develop to compete in this competitive market?
Acha, Shifa, competitiveness, is very subjective. I believe passion is something which should drive you. When you are enrolled into a university or into a college, and then you, after graduation, are supposed to go into the practical life. So one should always follow their passion. Rather than whatever is being happening at the macro level in a country, कि आजकल AI की बहुत बात हो रही है, डेटा इंजीनियरिंग की बहुत बात हो रही है, बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस की बहुत बात हो रही है, but it's not for everyone. So whatever you have in you, just follow it, and it will lead you to a place where you will be proud of in the next 5 years, inshallah.
Definitely, sir. अब इसी के ऊपर बल्कि मैंने आपसे सवाल भी एंड पे करना था. A message of hope and optimism for the youth of Pakistan.
I mean, just stay persistent and follow your intuition.
Thank you so much, sir, for coming here today. It was wonderful talking to you.
Thank you so much, Shifa.
Thank you.